Hello friends, today I'm going to show you how you can detect a root rot. On the left side here, I have a very healthy plant. You see it's in this white pot. The pot has holes for water drainage. It's been draining water very well, and see how healthy the plant has grown. But look at this plant on the right side. I did not realize that this pot did not have good holes for water drainage. The leaves turned yellow, the soil started smelling rotten, and the leaves just started dropping off. If you notice any of these kind of symptoms in your plant, I think you could be sure that you are having a root rot problem. I just wanted to show you how a root rot causes a plant to eventually die, or how it impacts it. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, please post a comment and I'll be happy to respond as quickly as possible. Hope you can do something quickly to prevent your plant from getting damaged. Thank you for watching.